Meet Ray. His family owns R&T Power Systems. They are the Kohler Dealer of the Year. What does that mean, you may ask? It means they sell a whole lot of generators. Take a ride on a behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to be the best. Enjoy this episode of Ride Along with Ray.
A generator turns DC power, that's direct current, into AC power, which is alternating current. Okay? It does this by taking battery voltage and putting it into a rotor or a wound field. It depends on the style, but they all do basically the same thing, DC and AC. Now, what they do is they take battery voltage, and they pass it in this generator into this piece in the middle here. It's called a rotor. Now it's called a rotor because it rotates, okay, with the engine. So they pass it through the rotor, which turns it into an electromagnetic field. Now you're passing an electromagnetic field around a device called a stator, which is the outside piece here. And those metals passing each other with the magnetic field and amongst them create AC power, creates an AC sine wave. So what's happened to this generator is the excitation field, which is the field that produces that DC voltage into the rotor, has gone bad. It's gone bad because the thing sits on the beach and it gets a lot of corrosion and salt and so forth and so on. So what we're doing is putting a new stator on the old rotor that we're going to have rewound. And we're doing that because you can't get the rotor anymore. You can't get it for this particular unit anymore. So we're going to use what's here, we're going to fix what's here, and put it back together. We're going to replace the new stuff with new parts. And then move on. We'll have a new generator at the end of it.